Hey guys, I finally decided to upgrade my action cam, and after some research I decided I didn't want to pay all that money just for a GoPro name. And after some research I saw that this one was pretty popular in the comparison videos. In some ways I thought this one looked better than the GoPro, but I mean, for a fraction of the cost, like this was 60 bucks, new GoPro what, 300 bucks? I mean, how much better could the GoPro really be? But anyways, I just wanted to unbox it, so let's go ahead and get in here. Should have brought enough, but we'll just use our fingernails. There we go. Alright. So, there we go. I'm really bad just to tear things apart when I open them, so that's probably what I'll do here. So we got a bunch of mounts. It's like a handlebar mount. It's like a tripod mount. That could be a helmet mount. Oh, battery. It's like a clip mount. And another battery. So there we go, we've already got two batteries, charging cord, which is pretty awesome to have spare batteries. I never had a spare for my GoPro 3. And looks like a strap, some zip ties, and some more adhesive mounts there. Gotta get one on my helmet. And there's a remote, which is pretty awesome. I think that's the strap for the remote. Another back. And just some more things there. Some extra adhesive pads and a little security cable. Cleaning cloth. And a couple manuals here. But that's a ton of stuff that you get for 60 bucks. And like I said, the videos that I've seen, easily comparable to the GoPro. So we can get this thing out of here without breaking something. The body has a nice rubberized texture to it. Kind of like that. Here's where your charging port and your SD card goes. But anyways, that's about as far as I can go with it without actually testing the camera. But right there she is. And we'll get some footage soon.